Hi everybody, welcome back to another video right here on Art Community. And in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use the cutter knife to sharpen your pencils like a professional artist. Okay, so there are a couple of ways you can sharpen your pencils. It's either you are using the sharpener or the cutter knife. Okay, so what happens with the sharpener is that it doesn't give you a long tip, okay, when you use the sharpener. Okay, so it might not be ideal for shading because it gives you a very small tip. Okay, all right, so this is how we go about it. We are going to hold the pencil this way and we try to peel off the wood slowly. Okay, peel off the wood slowly. Okay, peel off the wood slowly. So in this case we are targeting only the wood. Okay, only the wood. And also you need to have a very sharp cutter knife. Okay, so if your cutter is blunt, I would advise or recommend that you get a new one, which is going to make the sharpening of the pencil much easier. Okay, so we are trying to cut enough wood as possible as we can. Okay, leaving more graphite area exposed. Okay, so when you have enough long tip, for example like this one, then we can move on to the next step. So what you are going to do now is that you are going to refine the pencil tip, okay, with the help of a sandpaper. So we are going to use the sandpaper to refine our pencil tip. Okay, so you place the pencil on the sandpaper, then you start rubbing. Okay, so whilst rubbing, you rotate the pencil gradually. Okay, so we are going to do this until we get a desired pencil edge. Okay, all right, so I think I'm getting the shape that I want. And yes, this is how you can sharpen your pencils like a professional artist. So as you can see, I don't throw the graphite powder away. I will still use that one for shading. Okay, so that's a bonus tip. So yes, and we are done. So this is how our pencil looks like, and I think it's ready for shading. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video. If this video is helpful to you, kindly give the video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys hopefully in the next one. Peace.